Good evening, everyone. Today is January 27th, 2018. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Stellar Lumens software onto your Ledger Nano S hardware wallet. The reason that installing the Stellar Lumens software on your hardware wallet is important is without it, you cannot access and manage your Stellar Lumens through your hardware wallet. There are a couple assumptions I'm making here for those of you watching this video. The first is you have a Nano Ledger S hardware wallet, and the second is you have Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, you'll need to install that. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first step you need to do is you need to download the Ledger Manager Google extension. So I have it opened up here, and the link is also provided in the description. You basically just need to launch the app and download it. I've already downloaded the app, so all I have to do is search for Ledger Manager on my computer, and it's there. So I'll open it up, and you'll notice that it says to begin, connect your Ledger wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my Ledger wallet to my computer, so I don't have this is off screen, so you won't be seeing anything. So right now I am just typing in my PIN number on my hardware wallet, so just bear with me for a moment. Okay, so I went ahead and punched in my PIN number, and as soon as I did that, you could see that it's loading something. So you'll see a bunch of various cryptocurrencies that are available. So these are the cryptocurrencies that you can download software for so that your Ledger wallet can support it. And today we care about Stellar. So see here, all you have to do is click on the download button. When I already have the Stellar software installed on my hardware wallet, so I'm not going to click on download. But what happens is after you click on this download button, your hardware wallet is going to display a message basically asking you if it's okay to download the Stellar software, and you'll answer yes, it is on your device. As soon as you do that, it'll start downloading and installing it to your hardware wallet, and once that's done, you'll have an option. You'll now have the option to access and manage your Stellar wallet through your hardware wallet. And so what that's going to look like on your hardware wallet is, if you kind of browse around in your hardware wallet, you'll notice that it came with a logo, like the displayed logo on the screen, and they have one for Bitcoin and they have one for Ethereum by default. Well, now you'll have one for Stellar, and then you'll be able to access your Stellar wallet. I won't be going over how to access your Stellar wallet in this video through your hardware wallet, but I have a video where I do show that. So if you want to see that, you can go ahead and refer to the link in the description to this video. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment it in, and feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.